Hey everybody, Eric with H2 Equipment with my service manager Kevin Bright. Just kind of filling you in on something else interesting we're starting to see more and more of. I know this is at least the second failure, if not the third or fourth, of this type. Customer had a track loader, had about 3,000 hours on it, and was throwing a code for
crankshaft
position sensor.
Yep.
Kevin went ahead and diagnosed it. How'd you tackle it?
So of course, first thing we do is we hook up and we read all the active codes, which we had a 20% derate code in there, followed by the erratic signal from the crankshaft positioning sensor. So you go through, follow troubleshooting, check for 5 volts at the sensor with it unplugged, and that's all it took because we were missing our 5-volt sensor. So then you go into the cab, lift the cab up, go to the engine ECM, unplug the harness from the ECM, and check for your 5-volt coming out of the ECM, which then tells you it's in your harness and not the ECM. So basically what this is wear and tear over the 3,000 hours. These plastic looms rub on the wires with the vibration and eventually rubs through the wires.
So essentially what's going on is we got a break in the wire harness. What's causing the break? It's actually the protectant itself that is causing the break, which is what's really interesting. Is once again, these machines are used in a very aggressive, very vibratory environment where they vibrate a lot. These wires, they all sit here and they rub against this plastic loom, the plastic loom that's put on there to protect it. But if we zoom in, like right there, we got exposed wire. Now it doesn't do any good just to go in and splice that one wire, because that's happened numerous times all the way down this harness. So it's just another way, it goes to show there's really nothing wrong. That's just age and typical wear. And what that really all circles back to is cost of ownership. So once again, you're going to run the machine in that kind of environment. These are kind of the problems that are going to jump up and present themselves. It was all caused by vibration. This is a forestry machine. It's on a track loader with a grinder head. Customers cleaning up trees, doing pasture clearing, stuff like that. Over time, you're going to have this. That's just part of owning a piece of equipment. That investment doesn't stop just the day that you write the check for the piece of equipment. That is something you need to budget for if you're thinking about getting into this industry. So, great job, Kevin. We appreciate it. Hope you learned something, guys.